Hey guys, Barry here from Epic Cycles. We're actually standing behind the Epic Cycles Junction store in Toronto, and in today's video I will be unboxing and reviewing the InMotion E20 beginner entry-level unicycle. This unicycle was provided to us by InMotion to test out and as well to review. So thank you to InMotion for providing us yet another amazing vehicle to check out and review. So we're happy to do it, and we will get started by unboxing. So let's open this up. So this is the most entry-level, beginner-level EUC currently available in the market, and of course from InMotion. As I open it up, I can see here the user manual as well as the charger on the top and charger plug. I'm just going to put this on the side. It's very nice packaging, by the way, so it's very well protected. You can see the foam all around. All right, here's the EUC itself. Actually, seems like it almost stands on its own. Not quite, but yeah. Is there a kickstand here, I wonder? Probably not. But yeah, it's actually self-stabilizes. As you can notice, they've actually developed this unicycle with two wheels, like so two rims here, making it a lot easier to learn the gist of it and to balance, claiming that it's similar to those starter Segway wheels, so it's easier for, of course, for beginners. So I'm going to test it out for myself to see that validity of that. So seems like there's nothing really here to assemble. Probably will have to go into the app just to set it up for the first time. Just going to remove a little more packaging, and you got a handle here, a walking trolley handle. That's easy. We have actually a speaker here which makes some beeps and noises, and as well can actually connect to your Bluetooth so you can play music out of this, so we can test that out as well. I'm going to move this foam into the box so it doesn't fly away on us. Okay, so let's power her up. All right. Yeah, it looks like we got power. And let me just go into their app quickly. I think it wants me to go into the app to calibrate it, I suppose. Disconnect and search. Let's find it. Okay, so we found it. It's still not stabilizing. I'm going to connect to the unit, activate. All right, now that it's activated, now the gyro, I feel it went straight on me, and now it's working. Okay, vehicle authorization, I'm confirming it. Successfully authorized as main owner. Great. Okay, we can see here 41% remaining mileage. Looks like it has some kilometers on it, 11 kilometers. Okay, that's fine. Does it have a light? Yeah, it has a light. So I could activate lights on and off, as well as a horn. There's the horn. And let's go into the settings real quick just to see if we need to do that. Anything here, so ride mode is beginner. So you could change it to beginner, normal, sport. I'm just gonna change it to sport since I'm used to it, and since this is a beginner one, I'm sure I'll be fine. Light effects follow speed. Let me just see if there's any speed settings here that I need to do. Okay, ride mode sports. I guess sport mode will probably be the fastest mode anyways. So let's just go over some quick specs for this EUC. So it has a 240 watt-hour battery, so it's about a 4 or 5 amp hour battery, which has a range of what InMotion claims to be either 12.5 miles or 20 kilometers. And it has a 450 watt motor, which peaks out at a little bit over 900 watts. I think 950 was what they mentioned. And this equates to a top speed of about 18.5 miles per hour or 30 kilometers per hour. The scooter, being an entry-level scooter, it's the most affordable scooter, being priced in currently at $399 USD. So let's take a look. It's got nice rubberized pedals. All right, let me close the handle. It's a nice trolley handle, actually. All right, and it's a little bit uneven road here, but look at this. I haven't seen that before on an EUC. While it's on, it's balancing on its own. It's like magic, right? But I guess it's because of the two-wheel system that allows it to do that. With the one-wheel system, you'll never seen that. I've never seen that before. So that's a new neat feature. So obviously that equates to easier balancing for beginners. Now, this road's a little bit uneven on surface. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but let me try it anyways. All right, all done. Woo, yeah. It's pretty smooth. There's no suspension, obviously, but taking the bumps, not too bad. Perfect for those just learning to get into the sport, or of course, great for children actually. Anybody can really do it. As you can see, it's pretty simple, and I'm going on very rough terrain here for this type of EUC. I should be on a InMotion adventure, not this on this type of road. Should have picked a smoother road surface for this video, but that's fine. But it's very impressive how easy it is to get the hang of it. You know, as you move, one wheel goes up and you still have power. There, look at that. That's a Pathfinder T. Nice bike, sir. I like it. It's very easy to walk it actually. The trolley is really nice level, nice big rubber grip, so easy to walk it. If you need to walk it into a store or something, it's no problem. Follows you along easily, nicely. No, not at all. That's a car. Whoop. So you maxed out the speed. Got the tilt back, safety tilt back, so it doesn't let you go too fast. I probably hit 20 kilometers an hour or 12 miles per hour there. But yeah, listen, it's a smooth little EUC. Not bad for if you want to take it along with you for that final mile. Very small, very easy, very light. It's about 30 pounds. Easy to carry, easy handle. As you can see, turning no problem. Balancing is very simple on it. It is different than the traditional EUC. The two wheels, I gotta say, is different, but I think it's more for, you know, beginners learning, and for children. It's great for children. So this is totally awesome. I mean, something so small, something smaller than literally a bicycle wheel that can get you around and move you around. This is getting awesome. You know, the world of mobility is just so exciting, the way where the future's going. And kudos to InMotion for creating this beginner wheel that's perfect for riders who are just learning, or children to get into it. You know, a lot of people are intimidated by EUCs, but this is a good beginner wheel to get you comfortable, easy to learn, and to get to that next level. Thank you again to InMotion for providing us the wheel. I hope you enjoyed this quick little review unboxing. As you can see, it was not much. It's pretty much ready to go out of the box. Just pull it out, turn it on, activate the app, and you're ready to roll right away. Yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give us that thumbs up. We'll leave some information in the description below. And as always, wishing you an epic day or night. Peace.
epiccycles.ca